Oh, here's the water on my windshield again. And in my car, just in general, you can see this crazy layer of water here. They're proving their artifice with lies and their lies with artifice. It should be much colder, but the air is full of this fog that they've been putting down the last couple of days. When they put down the fog, the temperature goes up and it stays up for several days. No, I just saw a frequent flyer here. I thought I would capture him. And of course now he's gone. These things can detect when they're being watched. Take a look at this. The moon. I can't get a better focus on it. There we go. Have to move in and out several times. You see this shine that is on the moon. It's not normal. Isaiah did say in that day the sun would shine 7 times brighter and the moon would shine like the sun. But you notice how this moon and the sun are always encased. They're always encased in this mercurial paste. Take a look up here. There are no clouds to speak of except for this crap here, this slime from hell. Here is a Twizzler. Let me just show you. You got to move in and out several times in order to get a good focus on these things. It's not a star. It's emitting gas also. God knows what else it's doing. I don't know if it's a so-called satellite. I don't know why it's buoyed up in the atmosphere. But they put so much crap in the atmosphere over the years that this stuff is probably just buoyed up in an electronic force field, electromagnetic. Take a look here at the moon. Yesterday was Purim, which is when the Jews all get together and forgive themselves of their sins, past, present, and future. Their motto is, keep on sinning, that grace may abound. Take a look at this. They just put this in. Oh, it's just awful. Listen to the noise. That's not a plane. This is probably some sort of microwaves or electromagnetic waves or electricity or God knows what communicating here with this metallic paste. Listen to that. Thou shalt not fear for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day, nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. Listen to that. Listen to that. I don't see any plane in the sky. And now I see one over here, but that has nothing to do with this other noise. Take a look over here. Here's a frequent flyer. I always pan out to give you, look at this. It's hovering. Take a look. These things can move up, move down. They're anti-gravity. There is no such thing as gravity anyway. The one holding all this together is the Lord God Almighty. I'm panning out and in so that you can see, you can get some context. A lot of people who show you chemtrails being flown only show close-ups so that you cannot get a context of how these things are flying, where they're flying. I'll see now it's turning around. You know, this thing appeared out of nowhere. And now it looks like it's just a regular plane. But take a look, it's hardly moving. Look at how it's hovering there. I've been witnessing this kind of phenomena for the last 5 years at least. The planes just hover and hover and hover, and then all of a sudden they move. See, they're reinforcing the slime from hell that they're putting in the sky to poison us. They're telling us it's global warming and it's your fault and it has to do with cars. No, it has to do with this crap in the sky being flown in.